Hello, fellow Homo sapiens. Here we have a big-eyed bug. There's about 160 species in this genus. They are predatory insects that feed on mites and other small invertebrates. They're considered beneficial. They're usually confused with the chincher bug, which is a harmful pest, but both native. As you can see, he's cleaning his proboscis. This is a nymph. It's an immature big-eyed bug. They use that proboscis to chase down and catch mites normally when they're nymphs. Maybe we'll get a species ID. Sometimes we get lucky. I also found what I believe to be the adult of the same species.